A few months ago, I made a promise to myself to learn AI tools as much as possible, one at a time. Okay, as a woman, I tackle like I have a lot of things to do, especially knowing that I'm a stay-at-home mom, a very busy stay-at-home mom who does many things. Okay, not just staying at home and just relaxing. There's so many things that I do behind the scenes that I don't show you guys. But regardless of that, I made a promise. I'm gonna be learning one tool at a time, at least to know what it is about, how can I use it, and how can it be beneficial to me, so that I can also talk about it and tell you guys, and also you can jump in and start learning about these AI tools. Now today, a few weeks ago, I dived into another amazing tools. Of course, I normally share a lot of tools on my channel, but for today specifically, I wanted to introduce to you another amazing AI tool that I need you to go and learn, study about it, and use it. You're gonna be amazed just the same way I was. Like, you're gonna be wowed. Okay, now the tool I'm talking about is none other than Manus AI. Manus AI has been there for a long time. Even though I signed up for a long time, I didn't use it because I thought that it's just like the same other, like the others, the AI tools. But let me tell you, this tool is a game changer that any woman, any person who is into business, who want to create wealth, who want to do something beneficial for their lives, you need Manus AI. And I'm gonna even leave the link so that you can start learning about it, like sign up. And nowadays they do not initially it was like you apply, you tell them what you want to use Manus for, and then they're gonna check, review your application, and then do what, accept you. That was initial when they started launching the Manus, when it started, like when it was launched. But nowadays you can actually sign up today, and they're gonna accept your invitation and also application, and then you can start using it immediately. And something best about this, it is that initially you had to pay, or maybe you had a free version, like you had to try, but you are limited in terms of credits. They're gonna go very fast. But nowadays they give you every day at least 300 credits, so that you can continue using Manus each and every time, and these credits are actually refreshed every day. And something else, if you rate it, maybe for instance, if you have used Manus AI and then you give it a 5-star, 4-star, depending on your experience, you're gonna also be awarded some credits. So it's so amazing. Now this tool, I'm just here, I have done a presentation using Manus AI, and let me tell you guys, this is amazing. This is just a game changer, a completely game changer. It's not just a tool for making presentation or maybe slides, but I have discovered a lot in terms of business wise, in terms of actually strategically using it for your own benefit. For instance, if you are running a business, or maybe if you want to dive into digital products, you want to create your own business online, even offline, Manus is something that I highly recommend you to try. Today I tried it, like I was creating a presentation that I wanted to actually post on my other channel, and I gave it a prompt, and I was like, you just see everything being done on the screen live. Like, you see how it is thinking, how it is analyzing, how it is actually crafting each and everything. It gives you a preview. Actually, you can see everything by yourself and actually follow the steps, and then it presents to you the final thing. Talk about website. Those people who normally say, oh, I cannot do this, I cannot put my business online because I don't know how to make a website. Let me tell you, Manus AI is here for you. You just say, if you can type, if you can describe what you want, then this tool is so powerful. Forget about ChatGPT and these other things. Now, I'm not saying that ChatGPT is bad. If you combine these two, maybe let's say you use ChatGPT and Manus AI, you are on the go. You are on the go. Let me not kid you, because I already tried it. Now, the best thing about this, it is the interface is so easy to use. If you have used ChatGPT or any other AI model, intelligent model, or maybe text model, then you're gonna be loving this one. And then one thing about Manus AI, it gives you like the slides, or maybe how it presents, it is visually presenting everything. For instance, if you ask it to make a website, depending on the information, it's gonna go to your if you already have an existing maybe website, it's gonna go and check, analyze everything, and give you feedback. So guys, I just wanted you to go and actually Google. You can check the description. I'm gonna leave some information. You can use that information and start using Manus AI for your own benefit. It's so amazing, I kid you not. Within a few minutes, I have created a presentation, 7 slides, that is so amazing. Maybe in my next video I'm going to be telling you step by step, or maybe I can show you. I'll leave a link if I finalize that video, I edit and then finalize how you can use Manus AI to create a presentation. If you're a teacher, if you're a lecturer, if you're a business person, maybe you want to talk about something that maybe if you're a coach, you want to do a presentation, Manus AI gonna do all the visual, it's gonna add all the text, and I'm just loving it. So for instance here, I gave it a prompt to actually make me, or maybe make slides, a presentation, how to use Manus AI to create stunning presentation in minutes. And what it did amazing job. The first slide, it had an heading. The second one, what is Manus AI, the AI, and then it gave a graph and everything, put in the visuals, and I'm just loving. I can't wait to share with you. So there you have, guys. As usual, I'm a busy mom. I hope you have understood my point. For anyone who is an entrepreneur, who is wanting to dive into AI tools to actually help in terms of actually multitasking, think about a smart person. Use it as a smart person, a tool that can help you, maybe as a smart friend who can help you in terms of copywriting. You have products that you're selling and you don't know how to pitch, you don't know how to talk to your clients. Manus AI can give you a strategy. Think about if you maybe you are running a small business and you don't know the description of your products. Maybe you are selling this kind of mugs and you want to actually make description. Take a picture, insert into Manus AI, tell it to actually describe what is this and how can you make social media post about this mug, and for who, and for the targeted audience, how much, and it's going to give you very persuasive information. And the best thing is that you can customize it. You can talk to it directly. Maybe if it has given you a presentation, or maybe it has given you a feedback and you don't like the feedback, you can still tell it. Maybe it has given you a feedback that you think that it is not part of it. You can tell it delete, or maybe add in some persuasive ideas, or maybe a persuasive language. Use this kind of language to actually persuade the customer to buy your products. So it is just something, a tool that I have learned, and I think we're gonna learn a lot if you stick with me to this channel, so that we can improve our lives and also earn and learn and benefit together as moms, as women in 2025. I hope you have loved this video. If you are loving the content, don't forget to share, to like, and also subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment section, have you tried Manus AI? What was your experience? How did you find it? Like, how was your experience? Are you loving it? Are you using it? And which tool are you into learning? Any AI tool that you are up to learning, or maybe you are eager to learn? Let's talk in the comment section. I'll see you next in my next videos. Bye bye.